Welcome to our channel, dedicated to unlocking the secrets of achieving faster and stronger hair growth in just 1 week. Are you tired of waiting for your hair to grow? Do you dream of having thick and healthy locks? In this video, we will delve into the science of hair growth, share essential tips, and reveal powerful home remedies that can help you achieve remarkable results. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey to unlock the full potential of your hair. Before diving into the tips and remedies, it's crucial to understand the hair growth process. Hair growth occurs in cycles consisting of the anagen growth, catagen transition, and telogen resting phase is the active stage where hair grows, and optimizing this phase can significantly impact hair growth speed. We'll also explore the structure of the hair, including the hair follicles, shaft, and cuticles, to gain insights into how to strengthen and nourish the hair effectively. Essential tips for promoting hair growth. 1. Maintain a balanced diet. Ensure you consume a diet rich in protein, vitamins, especially biotin and vitamins A, C, and N minerals, such as iron and zinc, to provide the necessary nutrients for hair growth. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated, promoting a healthy environment for hair growth. 3. Minimize heat styling. Excessive heat can damage the hair and hinder growth. Limit the use of heat styling tools and always apply a heat protectant spray before using them. 4. Avoid tight hairstyles. Avoid styles that pull on the hair, such as tight ponytails or braids, as they can lead to hair breakage and damage the follicles. 5. Protect your hair. Use a wide-toothed comb or a brush with soft bristles to detangle your hair gently. Avoid brushing or combing when your hair is wet to prevent breakage. Home remedies for faster hair growth. 1. Onion juice. Apply freshly extracted onion juice to your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse with a mild shampoo. Onion juice contains sulfur, which boosts collagen production and promotes hair growth. 2. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your scalp, leave it on for an hour, and then wash it off. Aloe vera nourishes the hair follicles, reduces inflammation, and promotes healthy hair growth. 3. Coconut oil massage. Warm coconut oil and massage it into your scalp using circular motions. Leave it overnight for deep nourishment and rinse it off in the morning. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft, strengthens the hair, and stimulates growth. 4. Egg mask. Beat an egg and mix it with olive oil. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then rinse with cool water. Eggs are rich in proteins and biotin, promoting hair growth and enhancing its strength. 5. Green tea rinse. Brew green tea, allow it to cool, and use it as a final rinse after shampooing your hair. Green tea contains antioxidants that promote hair growth and reduce hair fall. 6. Fenugreek seeds. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight, grind them into a paste, and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse it off. Fenugreek seeds are packed with proteins and nicotinic acid, which stimulate hair. With the right knowledge and consistent care, you can make your hair grow faster and stronger in just 1 week. By understanding the hair growth process, nourishing your body from within, adopting healthy hair care habits, and utilizing powerful home remedies, you'll be well on your way to achieving luscious locks. Remember to be patient and consistent in your efforts and celebrate the progress along the way. Here's to your journey towards vibrant, resilient, and beautiful hair. Outro, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore further ways to unlock the secrets of healthy and beautiful hair. Until then, take care and happy hair growth.